Most people think changing a website template will break everything. But here's the surprising truth. On Wix, it's not possible the way you expect. And that's exactly what you need to understand first. Wix does not allow direct template switching after a site is published. Once you choose a template and start editing, it's locked. Most people get this wrong, but there is a workaround. To change your Wix template, you must create a new site and then copy your content manually. First, log into your Wix dashboard and click Create New Site. Choose a new template that fits your style. You won't believe what happens next. You can open both sites side by side and copy text, images, and sections. Use copy and paste to move content into the new design. Rebuild pages like Home, About, and Contact for blogs or stores. You can use Wix import tools to transfer products and posts. Now the downsides. This process takes time. Layouts and animations do not transfer automatically. Some apps may need reinstallation, but the advantage is full design freedom. You start fresh without breaking the original site. The surprising truth about Wix templates is that they are foundations, not skins. Changing design means rebuilding structure. So who should do this? Anyone unhappy with their current layout or branding. But if your site works fine, small edits may be enough. The best design change is the one that improves clarity, not just appearance. If this tutorial helped you redesign smarter, subscribe for more practical website guides before making reversible changes. Title start how to fix Reddit not loading for PC title BND script start most people think Reddit is down when it won't load. But here's the surprising truth. In most cases, the problem is actually on your computer, not Reddit itself. Today, I'll show you exactly how to fix Reddit not loading on PC, step by step, even if you're not technical. First, start with the simplest check. Refresh the page and try opening Reddit in a different browser. If it works in one browser, but not the other, the issue is likely browser-related. Most people get this wrong, but extensions are one of the biggest causes. Ad blockers, VPN, and privacy tools often break Reddit without showing errors. Disable all extensions temporarily and reload Reddit. You won't believe what happens next. In many cases, the site loads instantly. If that doesn't work, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, corrupted data can stop websites from loading correctly. After clearing, restart your browser and try again. Next, check your internet connection. Open another site like YouTube or Google. If everything else loads slowly, your network may be the problem. Restart your router and modem. This sounds simple, but it fixes more issues than most advanced steps. Now check DNS. Most people don't realize this, but DNS controls how your computer finds websites. Switching to a public DNS like Google or Cloudflare often fixes loading issues. You can also try flushing your DNS cache using your system's network settings. This resets old connection data that may be causing conflicts. Another common issue is VPN software. Some VPN servers block Reddit or route traffic poorly. Turn off your VPN and test again. If Reddit still doesn't load, check if the site is down globally. Sometimes Reddit servers experience outages. In that case, there's nothing to fix. You just wait. Also make sure your system clock is correct. Incorrect time settings can block secure websites from loading. Finally, try disabling antivirus web protection temporarily. Some security programs falsely block Reddit as a risky site. The surprising truth about Reddit loading issues is that they usually come from local settings, not Reddit itself. Before reinstalling anything or blaming your computer, always start with browser extensions and DNS. If this guide helped you fix your issue, subscribe for more simple tech fixes that save time and frustration.